Welcome to the 8th episode of our drone technology series. Today we'll discuss autonomous flight, mission planning, and waypoint navigation. Watching a drone execute pre-planned routes, track, moving subjects, or perform automated maneuvers without manual control highlights how far aviation technology has evolved. Moving beyond basic remote control, we have entered the era of autonomous flight. Today we'll examine how automated flight systems operate and how to use them safely and effectively in the field. First, let's define autonomous flight. It refers to a drone operating along preset coordinates or logic, rules without manual stick inputs. Key implementations include waypoint navigation for route following, as well as follow me and focus track modes for subject tracking. It also includes automated pattern flights like orbit or Helix, along with one-touch takeoff, landing, and return-to-home functions. Modern platforms such as the DJI Air 3S, Mavic 3 Pro, and ultralight models like the DJI Neo feature highly precise autonomous flight engines. How does waypoint navigation work? Operators select flight coordinates, altitudes, speeds, and camera orientations on a map using ground control software. The flight computer connects these coordinate points, sequentially executing precision maneuvers autonomously. You can set varying altitudes per waypoint, instruct the drone to hover at specific points, or program camera rotations and shutter triggers. This technology is widely used in construction, surveying, agricultural mapping, and automated time-lapse photography, where precise path repeatability is required. Next, let's cover subject tracking technologies like Follow Me and Active Track. These systems rely on two primary methods. First, tracking the physical GPS position of the ground controller. Second, using camera vision and AI vision algorithms to track subject contours visually. Omnidirectional vision sensors allow modern drones to bypass trees and structures while keeping subjects in frame. However, technical precautions apply. Fast-moving subjects can break visual lock, while thin cables or dense foliage can challenge optical sensors, requiring constant operator vigilance. Now let's explore automated pattern modes that help capture cinematic footage. The circle or orbit mode rotates around a central subject at a fixed radius. The Helix mode orbits while ascending in an expanding spiral. The Boomerang mode flies an elliptical path around the target. The rocket mode climbs vertically while tilting the camera downward. The Dronie mode flies backward and upward simultaneously to reveal the surrounding landscape. These automated modes are excellent tools for creating short-form content and dynamic social media videos. In addition, automated takeoff, landing, and RTH functions serve as critical safety mechanisms. When valid satellite lock is established, one-touch launch and land functions operate smoothly. In low battery or signal loss scenarios, the return-to-home feature safely guides the aircraft back to its launch site. For optimal safety, set your RTH altitude above the tallest surrounding. Obstacles typically 30 to 60 meters or higher. Always confirm complete satellite lock before launch to ensure exact home coordinates are recorded. Under International Civil Aviation Guidelines, pilots must maintain visual line of sight, or VLOS, during autonomous flights, and remain prepared to take manual control immediately. Future autonomous flight systems will integrate real-time weather data and 3D terrain mapping for dynamic route recalculation. Integration with voice commands and wearable controllers will also continue to expand. While autonomous systems provide incredible convenience and cinematic capabilities, they remain program tools. The ultimate responsibility for flight safety and situational decision-making always rests with the remote pilot in command. In the next episode, we will cover drone software and firmware, app navigation, and update management. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you on the next flight. Thank you.